大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。Welcome back to Chinese with Rida. Today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson 11. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about studying at university, daily routines, and actions in progress using Cheng Zai and Zai, along with related vocabulary and sentence patterns. So let's begin our new lesson. 我读大学呢 I am studying at university. In this lesson, we are going to learn 上词 new words, 课文 textbook text, 句型 sentence pattern. 上词 new words. 时候 It indicates a point in time. It is used to talk about time or a moment. For example, 什么时候 when, 这时候 this time, 那时候 that time. 你什么时候回家 when are you going home? 你 you 什么时候 when 回家 going home? 你什么时候回家 when are you going home? 饭店 restaurant. 我们去饭店吃饭 we are going to restaurant to eat. 我们 we 去 go 饭店 restaurant 吃饭 to eat. 我们去饭店吃饭。知道 to know. 我知道他的名字 I know his name. 我 I 知道 know 他的 his 名字 name. 我知道他的名字。正在 in the process of. 正在 is used before a verb to show that an action is happening right now, like on the spot. For example, 他正在吃饭 he is eating. Here, 正在 is referring that he is eating right now. Next word, 找 to look for. 我在找我的书 I am looking for my book. 我在 I am 找 looking for 我的 my 书 book. 我在找我的书 I'm looking for my book. 开车 to drive. 我会开车 I can drive. 车 means vehicle and 开 means to start. So 开车 means to drive. 车 car. 这是我的车 This is my car. 车 is a general word for a vehicle, especially a car, in everyday conversation. It is commonly used with 开车 坐车 means to sit. Now let's have a look on all the new words of text 1. 时候饭店知道正在找开车车 Alright, now let's have a look on textbook text 1. 课文1为例文你什么时候能到饭店还不知道正在找呢他是不是在超市后边是的你开车没开车我没开车坐车呢跟我读 read along me 为例文你什么时候能到饭店还不知道正在找呢他是不是在超市后边是的你开车没开车我没开车坐车呢 Now let's dive into the new words of text 2. The first one is 在 It is used to indicate an action in progress. It is usually used before a verb to show that an action is happening right now. For example, 他在学习 He is studying. Here, 在 is indicating that the person is studying right now. The next one, do, to study. 我读大学. I study at university. 大学 means university. Next one, 大学, university. 我读大学呢. I am studying at university. I do studying 大学 university. Na is used at the end of sentence to show emphasis. 我读大学呢. I am studying at university. Next one, 大学生 university student. 大学生他是大学生 He is a university student. Next word, 学 means to study or to learn. 我学汉语 I study Chinese. 我学汉语 means Chinese. Next one, 医 medicine. 他学医 He studies medicine. You have already learned 医生 which means doctor and 医院 means hospital. So both of these terms are related to medicine. That's why we use E as a prefix. Alright, now let's look at the new words of text 2. 在 读 大学大学生学医 Great. Now let's have a look on the textbook text 2. 课文2你还在读大学吗？对，我读大学呢，还是大学生。你们学习忙不忙？非常忙。我学医，我们的课很多。跟我读 ，read along me。你还在读大学吗？对，我读大学呢，还是大学生。你们学习忙不忙？非常忙。我学医，我们的课很多。Alright, now let's look at the new words of text 3. 弟弟 younger brother. 我有一个弟弟。I have a younger brother. I have 一个 one 弟弟 brother. 我有一个弟弟。I have a younger brother. 起床 to get up. 我每天早上起床。I get up every morning. 我每天 I every day 早上 morning 起床 get up. 我每天早上起床。睡觉 go to sleep. 我10点睡觉。I go to sleep at 10. 10点 10 o'clock. 睡觉 to sleep. 我10点睡觉。睡 sleep. 我想睡 I want to sleep. 想 want to. 我想睡。那里 there. 他在那里 He is there. 哪里 where. 你在哪里 Where are you? The next one 昨天 yesterday. 昨天我去学校 I went to school yesterday. 昨天 yesterday 我去 I went 学校 to school. 昨天我去学校 I went to school yesterday. 问 to ask. 问你要问什么 What do you want to ask? 你要 You want 问 to ask 什么 What? 你要问什么？对 to or towards. 我对他说 I say to him. 我 I 对 to or towards. 他 him 说 to speak. 我对他说 I said to him. 说 to ask or speak. 他说汉语 He speaks Chinese. 他说汉语 Next one 要 want 我要喝咖啡 I want to drink coffee. I 要 want 喝 to drink 咖啡 coffee. 我要喝咖啡。小朋友 child 这个小朋友很可爱。This child is very cute. 可爱 cute 这个小朋友很可爱。Alright, now let's look at all the new words of text 3. 弟弟起床睡觉睡 You probably have remembered a word 水 means water. The only difference is that it has the third tone, while in 睡 it has the fourth tone, which means to sleep. The next word 那里哪里 Here is an important thing you should know. Nali is used to point towards a place, while Nali is used to ask about a place or a location. So Nali means there or that place, while Nali means where. Next one, 昨天问对说要小朋友 Alright, now let's look at the textbook text 3. 课文3弟弟起床没起床呢？没起床呢，还在睡觉。还睡呢？他今天去不去哪里？去哪儿？去超市。我昨天问他，他对我说，他不去。他今天要和小朋友玩。跟我读 Read along me. 弟弟起床没起床呢？没起床呢，还在睡觉。还睡呢？他今天去不去哪里？去哪儿？去超市。我昨天问他，他对我说，他不去。他今天要和小朋友玩。Finally, let's dive into the 句型 sentence pattern of today's text. The first 句型 is affirmative sentences, 正反句. Affirmative sentences are the sentences that say something is true or happens or is the case that they are not negative. They are used to answer the questions of two choices, yes or no. For example, 吃不吃, do you eat or not? There are three patterns of affirmative sentences. The first one is verb plus pu or may plus adjective. The second one is verb plus pu or may plus verb. And the third one is adjective plus pu or may plus adjective. For example, 你是不是菲菲? Here, the first 是 is verb, then pu or may, then the next 是 is also verb. 你去没去学校? Here, the first 去 and the second 去 after may is both are verbs. Next one, 这件衣服好看不好看? Are these clothes good looking or not? 好看 before pu and 好看 after pu. Both are adjective here. Alright, now let's solve a few examples of affirmative negative sentences. To make a sentence affirmative negative, we add pu or may before the verb or the adjective in the sentence. For example, Tha chu narla ni churdao pu churdao. Where did he go? Do you know or not? Here we will add pu before churdao to make it as a negative sentence. So the answer is 我不知道. I don't know. 昨天你去没去书店? Yesterday, did you go to bookshop or not? The answer is 我没去. I didn't go. 这件衣服贵不贵? Are these clothes expensive or not? 不贵, not expensive. Great. Now the last part of our today's lesson, the warm-up exercise we have just learned from the vocabulary. The first one is khai che. Khai che. You can see che means car. So khai che is to drive a car. In the picture 5, there is a person driving a car. So it's picture 5. The next one, shui jiao. Shui jiao means to sleep. In picture 2, there is a girl sleeping. So it's picture 2. Next one, one, to ask. In picture 4, you can see a girl is asking something to the man. So it's picture 4. Next one, Fen Dian. Fen Dian, restaurant. In picture 3, there is character of Fen and Dian, and it also looks like a restaurant. The next one, Jiao. Jiao means to look for. In picture 1, there is a man searching for something. So it's picture 1. The next one, 大学生. 大学生. It's picture 6. The university students. We highly suggest you to read the textbook text 5 times to build the muscle memory so that your pronunciation gets better. And if you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comment sections and we will answer you. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new from the today's lesson and enjoyed it. See you in next lesson. 再见.